So today we're going to be learning how to do a grid problem. So the first thing we need to do is we need to look at our IP address, which is 12.16.16.0/20. Right here. The next thing we need to do is we need to look at these numbers that are given to you. Should be 5 of them. That's what we got. The first step to do a grid problem is to just write the IP address in the biggest number column, row of your network definition. So start out on 12 or 12.16.16.0. Your router address is always one more than your network definition, so it's 12.16.16.1. The next thing we need to do is we need to look at this little chart thing we have made. So 1719 doesn't fit in this, so it has to go here, which happens to be 8 class C's. So we add 8 to this number right here to get our broadcast. So it's 12.16.23.255. And remember, when you add 8, this number right here, to this, you don't get 24 because this counts as 1. So this is 7 and this is 1. Remember that. That's important. Sorry, it's auto-focusing, but this is important. Next step is total host. Since we were down here at 2048, it's 2 less that, so 2046 and /21. So that one's done. Then you go to your next highest number, which is 129, and A. So to get the network definition of the next one, you do one more than this number up here, which is 12.16.24.0. Or when you add 1 to this, you get 256, which bumps it up to 24 and makes this a 0. So router address, always one more than this. And 129. What do we do next for our broadcast? Come down here and look at this. Happens to be one more than 1/2 of a class C, so we have to go up to a whole class C. So that makes this 12.16.24.255. Remember that 0 counts as a number, so it's 255 and not 256. Total host is 2 less this, so 254, and we're at /24. That one's set. So next, go down here, so next biggest number is 63, and in D. So you got one more of this number, which is 12.16.25.0. Router address, one more of that number, 12.16.25.1. Okay, 63 does not fit in this column because you have to add 2 for your last number. So it's going to go right here. So 128, which would be 12.16.25.127. Okay. Our total host is 2 less this. 126. And we're at /25. Okay. So this number's done. But our next biggest one is 47. C, which is 12.16. One more this number, which is our last one. 25.128. Router address is always one more. 16.25.129. Our broadcast at 47, which goes right here, 63, which is 1/4 of a class C. So you got 63 plus this number, which is 12.16.25.191. Our total host is 2, or this minus 2, so 62. And our subnet mask is 26. Our final number is 9. Doesn't fit into here, so you have to go up to here. So 16, or C. So one more of this number, which is 12.16.25.130. Router address is always one more. 12.16.25.131. So we're right here, it looks like 16 plus that makes it, or 15, so it would be 12 dot.
It's 191. You got 130 and it plus is 191.
Oh shit. No, let's start over then.
No.
Oops, I messed up. So 191, that makes it 192 up here. And that makes that 93. Okay, that makes more sense. 16.25 and 15 makes that 207. Slash, we're at 14, 2 less this number, or this number less 2, and then that's /28. Okay. Last part, most important part. Take this /20, and that would be 16 class C's. So we're going 12.16.16 class C's plus this number, which makes it 31.255. The lowest number was E, so we go 1, we add 1 right here, so we're at 12.16.25.208. And that's how you do it. Any questions, you can comment and I'll answer them.